If it's good enough for me as a Florida licensed home inspector, it's gonna be good enough for them. So I believe in the product and I recommend it to everyone. For a roof that hasn't been treated with the Roof Maxx product, it's very dry, brittle, and you see flaps broken off all over the place and onto the ground. With a Roof Maxx product, it's more pliable, flexible, and you don't have that shingle loss. Well, in South Florida, really, where I'm from, it's 12 to 15 years. That's the normal lifespan in South Florida due to the UV and VA rays that really dries out the shingle faster. And also the way they make shingles now, it's not the same way they did 10 or 20 years ago. Back then, they put a lot of petroleum product and the asphalt had more flexibility. Now, they're making it skinnier and skinnier, less product, and that's why they're drying out faster, and that's why people had to replace roofs, but not anymore with the Roof Maxx product. I wouldn't put my name or my reputation behind a product that I thought wasn't going to work for the consumer. It works for me as an investor. I own a lot of properties throughout the state of Florida. I use it. There's no reason for me to replace a good roof that doesn't leak. This product works. It's a moisturizer for your roof, just like for your skin. When your elbows get dry, you put moisturizer. It's the same concept. This is a moisturizer for your shingle roof.